Hi there, Gareth here, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to upload your videos to YouTube to make sure that you're doing it in the right way so you're not undoing all that hard work you did by researching your keywords, producing a fantastic video. Now you need to make sure that you're uploading your video in the right way to make sure it's fully optimized and going to improve your rankings even further. So in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to do that inside a number of different tools and also inside YouTube itself, all to make sure that your videos are optimized to absolute perfection. All right, let's jump onto my computer and get started. Okay, so from inside your YouTube channel, so you've gone into YouTube, you're inside your channel, you're seeing your channel in front of you, you're going to want to come up to this little icon here, and that is basically where you're going to upload a new YouTube video. So you've created your video, you have it ready to go, you have all your information to upload, and you're going to click Upload Video. Now there's a few things we want to do before we upload a video, and there's a few things that we actually want to do after. So what we'll do is we'll start with before. You want to make sure that it says public here, and then just click on select files to upload. We will then, let's just say we will go into one of my folders here. We will find a video perhaps on something that I've been creating before. So let's go down and put a welcome video in here. So I'll just select an old welcome video and we will go open and upload. And then as that's uploading, what we want to do, and what I would have wanted to really have done if you actually saw that video file when I was uploading it, I would ideally want to have named the file. So I would have wanted to name the MP4 for the keyword that I want to use here. So if you were following along in a previous video and you use morning fame like we recommended, then you would actually have all the information to just start copying and pasting straight into this area here. So I would just be able to be going in and copying and pasting that information directly in here. If you were not seeing anything about morning fame and keyword research, I will put a link to that video. I highly recommend that you watch it before uploading your videos or creating content. But we will also give you a lot more information on making sure that you are growing your channel in the right way. Lots of tips and tricks. We'll give you a checklist that you can download below this video, and we'll also give you lots of tips and tricks on how to 10x the growth of your YouTube channel. But with that said, let's continue on. The next thing we want to copy and paste are the tags, and then we want to come and paste the tags straight into here. And then obviously we didn't fill out the description, so there should be a lot more content in this description here. But we didn't, for the example in the last video, we didn't really put anything here. What I recommend is that you look at some of the videos you're trying to compete with and see what types of things they're putting in the information here just below. Then ideally you would actually find the same thumbnail that you had uploaded here into Morning Fame, and you would come down to the bottom of this video and click Custom Thumbnail. Now after you've done that, what you would actually want to do is click on a thumbnail that you actually have. So let's say I've got the welcome thumb here. Perfect. I will just upload that one. And then it is up and added and ready to go. So once that is done, once I've pasted my title, I've pasted my description, I've pasted my tags, I've uploaded my thumbnail, it's showing here, I can then click on publish, and then I can just leave that and away we go. So we don't need to worry about anything else. I can just click on publish and we can come back to the video once it's uploaded. We then would want to come down and we would want to go to the video that we've just uploaded. So let's, for example, just say that it's this video right here. So if I just make sure that the sound is off for this video, what you're going to want to install is this free Chrome extension called Vid Iq. Now Vid Iq has a paid account, but we only need the free one for this. It will literally, when you plugged it into your Chrome or Firefox browser, it will show information down the side here in YouTube to make sure that you're seeing lots of different information. Now, I do actually have a paid account, so I'm probably going to see more than you would actually see. But what I care about here is the after upload optimization, and you will see this with your free account. And what we want to do is get as many green checks as possible to make sure we've optimized our video as much as we possibly can, because this is going to help you rank further. Every little thing that you do to optimize your video will further increase your rankings and improve your ability to rank your videos. So even if we did everything in Morning Fame, we can do even more by just improving these few little things afterwards. So the title, we have the title, it's the right length, it's not too short, it's not too long. We've added tags, we've added the description, we've added our custom thumbnail. We have closed captions. Closed captions are something that we can add afterwards. So if you want to add closed captions, you can literally go to a website called rev.com, and rev.com will automatically give you captions that you can download for your videos. So they have different services in here, and they have a caption which is a rough draft done by a machine. So let me see, translation. Ooh, they've updated it. So what you want is a transcript. So it's this one here. They've changed the name of it slightly since the last time I looked, but it should be 10 cents per minute. 80% accuracy is pretty darn good. You will be able to get your video done. If it's a 10-minute video, it's going to cost you $1, and then you can make the changes to improve any mistakes it has made. You can then download the SRT file. Download the SRT file. And for example, I'll show you how to do that. So after you've ordered, you've got your file here. You just want to open that up. And then you would go through and listen along and make any corrections as it's going through. And once you're happy with it, click here, go to export, and then download the SRT file. And then that will give you the documentation for doing your closed captions. Then what you want to do for that, and I will show you in a second where you can add those closed captions, but we would need to go into editing this video. So I'll just show you that in a moment, and then I'll show you where you can add those and where you can edit the cards and the end screens. So once we can add closed captions, we can reply to a recent comment. So anybody that comments, I can reply to them, and that will give us a little check. I can also be the first person to comment, and I give myself a love heart and a like, and I pin this to the top by selecting here. So it would normally say pin. If I pin the first comment, that is going to give me a pinned comment, a hearted comment, and the fact that you did it does not make any difference. And then what you would want to do is share it on Facebook. If you get 2 likes and it's shared on Facebook, that will help with your ranking. So you could share it on your personal Facebook profile and get your friends to like and comment on it. Monetization is not going to be something you can actually benefit from until you have 4,000 hours worth of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So do not worry about this for the moment. If you have a Twitter account, feel free to share it on there to increase your rankings. Add it to a playlist. And obviously you need to make sure your video is public. So get as many green checks here as possible to make sure that your video is as optimized as possible. Now, where can we see some of these things that I was just talking about, which the cards, the end screen, the captions? If we go into edit video here, you are going to be able to add those afterwards. Now, cards are the little things that slide out. You might have seen them in some of my videos. There's a little icon at the top in the corner, and that slides out to basically show people to click. Now, you can add cards by coming down to the cards section here. You just click onto that, and you'll be able to add a card at any point in the video itself. You can also click here to add your end screens at any point. So the end screen is what shows at the end of a video where you can recommend videos of your own. I'm not going to go into a huge amount of detail here, but that's where you can do that as well. And then the captions part, you would need to add that in advanced. So if you go into advanced, scroll down, and what you're going to see here is I already have some captions in here, some subtitles in here. So what you would do is it would show you the option to upload them. All it's showing me is an option to replace them. But you could upload your SRT file here, and it would automatically add those captions to your videos. Now, why do we want captions when YouTube already has some automated ones? Well, the main reason is that the automated ones are not very good, and you don't want it missing out on any keywords. The more you tell YouTube exactly what your videos are about, the more it will recommend your content. So think of this much like doing a blog post and Google likes to search through the wording of that to be able to see what your content is about and see if it should recommend it. That is exactly what you are doing here. You're giving YouTube the words so it knows what's inside the video, so it knows when and where to recommend your video to people. So having captions is great for increasing your rankings, but also making sure YouTube understands what your channel and your videos are about. Okay, I hope you found that video useful. As always, make sure that you download a checklist so you can see all of these points to optimize and improve your video rankings and grow your YouTube channel faster, and some tips on how to 10x the growth of your YouTube channel. I will put a link in the description for that. But as always, if you like this content, please like, comment, and make sure that you subscribe and ping the little notification bell so you know each and every time we release new content. In the next video, we're going to be showing you the next steps that you need to do, which is creating your perfect thumbnail. Now, you may have had your thumbnail already, but we really want to make sure that that thumbnail is the best one already if you have not uploaded it already. So we're going to be showing you how to do that, and there's also some other videos you might be interested in for this. Okay, I look forward to seeing you inside the next video. As always, any questions, let us know in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.